Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. King Khan tells youth to defy conventions, destroy structures that resist change. Bertrand Tavernier appeals to youth cinema to end dictatorship of ignorance. 42nd IFFI inaugurated with glitter and glamour. As IFFI settles down in Goa, hopes rise from the festival. Celebrities walk the red carpet with new aspirations. Day 1 of IFFI witnesses two agitations. All Goa Action Committee demands change of concluding ceremony date. Ambika Soni assures to consider the suggestion. Zambian national football team arrives in Goa. Zambia's coach Hervé Renard promises power-packed performance, African style. And Tempo Sports Club notch up 7th consecutive victory. 4-time champions thrash Shillong Lajong by 5 goals. Now the news in detail. 42nd IFFI commenced amidst glamour and fame. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan advised youth to defy conventions, destroy structures that resist change and fight against feudal institutions. On the other side, Lifetime Achievement Award was given to French filmmaker Bertrand Tavernier. He said that cinema can get rid of the dictatorship of ignorance reigning in this age.
That I should be here at the International Film Festival 2011 and be the chief guest, so thank you very much. I did say yes because it's a matter of great honor, though I do feel I should have asked about the clothing to Ambika ji before I came here. It does feel a little odd to wear a black suit and roam around in Goa. I asked her, I said, may I come in my Bermudas? She said, no, it won't be befitting. We have a lot of guests to impress and tell them that, you know, this is not. But I'm still wearing my Bermudas. In case you allow me, I'll take them off right here. See, the younger girls and Ambika ji are saying, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath along with Shah Rukh Khan had a saluted entry in Ravindra Bhavan for the inaugural function of 42nd IFFI. Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Ambika Soni, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav, Director of IFFI Shankar Mohan and MMC Chairperson Sushila Naik along with noted actress Ritupurna Ghosh were present for the ceremony. Shah Rukh encouraged the youth to destroy systems that kill our art and systems that kill our country and the world.
The next few days to be the greatest celebrations of your life. And as we celebrate, let's also remember a few things. That the art of filmmaking is more food for the soul rather than food for the stomach. Do not be afraid to defy conventions. Do not be afraid to destroy structures that resist changes. Do not be afraid to fight against feudal institutions and fascism. Do not be afraid to destroy systems that kill art and your souls, our souls. Do not be afraid to destroy systems that kill our nations. Do not be afraid to destroy systems that will finally kill our world. Do not be afraid to be hungry. Do not be afraid to do this alone if necessary. Do not be afraid to fight alone if it all becomes very essential. Do not be afraid to fight for truth through your cinema.
Digambar Kamath expressed his gratitude and said that his dream of having IFFI inaugural in Madgaon was fulfilled. He now plans to make Goa India's shooting destination.
Soni ji for having supported us, supported the cause of Goa, because she also believes that Goa is one state which can be a permanent destination for the tourists as well as for the film industry.
Ambika Soni said that their endeavor is to make IFFI an internationally acclaimed festival.
What I want to say is that this is going to be the People's Festival. And as each year succeeds the previous year, we hope we can make IFFI the International People's Festival. Hope you have good viewing and good enjoyment over the next 10 days.
Lifetime Achievement Award was presented to veteran French director Bertrand Tavernier.
And we are living in a very terrible moment, very dramatic moment, where we are frightened by dictatorship, of globalization, of fundamentalism, and the worst, the dictatorship of ignorance. And films can be weapons against those dictatorships. Film, I will repeat that all my life, films can be weapons of massive construction.
He called cinema a powerful medium to end the dictatorship of ignorance that is prevailing in the world in present times. Celebrities like Ramesh Sippy, Santosh Shiv, Prem Chopra, Jackie Shroff, Atul Kulkarni and Oscar awardee Rasul Pokutti were present for the inaugural ceremony. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. As IFFI is settling down in Goa, hopes from the festival are rising. Many celebrities walked the red carpet on Wednesday at the Ravindra Bhavan. They all hoped for only one thing, a better and more beautiful IFFI.
I'm surprised, absolutely surprised why they don't come. ऐसे तो उन लोग आ जाते हैं छुट्टी मनाने, मगर जब फेस्टिवल होता है तो पूरा सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए. और इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल है तो ज़्यादा इंटरनेशनल लोग भी आने चाहिए. In fact, just not Indian film industry, but pura India ka film industry. They should be Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Gujarati, Marathi. Everybody should be visiting out here, and I'll see to it that I take it forward.
He's been featured in IFFI, and that's the greatest honor. I just came back from the academy after showing the film to them, you know. So internationally, IFFI has been featuring the best of films, but also Indian work has been featured in the international competition section as well. So the demarcation is purely based on the quality of movie, and we have enough Indian movies in all these categories. Notes that we have enough qualitative film being made in India, and IFFI is featuring it well and good.
Yes, ऐसा लग रहा है कि फिल्म की नगरी में आ गए हैं, फिल्म की दुनिया में आ गए हैं. बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम है. And it's pleasure being here. It's honor being here.
लेकिन आपको लगता है कि IFFI इतने वर्षों में जिस तरह से लगातार फिल्मों का पार्टिसिपेशन हम देख रहे हैं, भारतीय जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, फिल्म उद्योग है, उसको और ज़्यादा वैश्विक मंच पर पहुंचाने में कितना ज़्यादा मददगार साबित हुआ है?
बिल्कुल, एटलीस्ट कम से कम हमारे बारे में जानने लगे, हमारे अलग अलग फिल्म मेकर्स के बारे में जानने लगे. पहले सिर्फ बॉलीवुड जानते थे, या उससे पहले सिर्फ बंगाल के फिल्म मेकर्स को जानते थे, पर अभी तेलुगु है, तमिल है, मलयालम है, मराठी है, गुजराती है. इतना बहुत सारा अच्छा सिनेमा बन रहा है जिसके बारे में उनको एक्सपोजर मिलता है यहाँ.
मुझे बहुत प्राइड होती है, फिल्म फेस्टिवल है, और मुझे इसके बात की बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है कि गोवा में है, और अपना सा लगता है. और आई रियली बिलीव कि जैसे जैसे साल बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, हमारी अटेंडेंस बेटर हो रही है, फिल्म्स बेटर हो रही हैं, और कंपटीशन बेहतर हो रहा है. एंड आई थिंक जेन्युइनली ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है कि हमारे फेस्टिवल्स जो हैं ऐसे ग्रो करें, और इंशाल्लाह ये इतना बड़ा हो जाए कि दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ पर आएँ. The topmost raining festival in the world, because I really feel this location, the kind of cinema we do, the work that India is doing in terms of cinema, and the people who make films, such beautiful films which will be showcased here. My friend Santosh Sevans also, and I think we have such wonderful things to tell the world, and these festivals and being here makes me very proud.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Umkar Falari.
Ambika Soni has assured the people that Union Information and Broadcasting Ministry will consider suggestion of Goans to avoid slating of IFFI's concluding ceremony on the day of Old Goa Fest. Activists of Old Goa Action Committee protested outside Ravindra Bhavan demanding change in concluding ceremony dates. Old Goa Bachao Kruti Committee demanded that the IFFI concluding date should not clash with the St. Francis Xavier Feast. The members of Old Goa Bachao Samiti staged a protest at the Ravindra Bhavan pressing for their demand. They showed black flags to all the personalities entering Ravindra Bhavan. Convener of the committee, Peter Viegas, elaborated on their demands.
आणि आम्ही आज या डॉक्टरांचे एज्युटेशन केला सरकाराक आणि तसेच सेंट्रलाक व गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिशियलांक आमचे इतले सांगणे याच्या पुढे आमच्या गोंयकारांच्या भावना दुखोवन सांत फ्रांसिसाच्या नयनाच्या आणि फेस्ता दिसांनी सरकारान जर तर ही फी घेवपाचे प्रयत्न केले 2012 आणि फुडें जाल्यार आमी गोंयान ही फी जावंकूच दिवचे ना. आमकां आख्ख्या गोंयच्या लोकांनी सपोर्ट केल्ले आसा आनी आमी चडसो दबाव घालूना, पूण हेज्या फुडें सरकार जर तर आयकना जाल्यार आमी सरकाराक ही फी करूंकूच दिवचे ना.
Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting assured the people of Goa that the ministry will take into consideration the date of St. Francis Xavier's feast while planning IFFI next year.
They met me the last time I came to see the arrangements with the Chief Minister. They have a problem. St. Francis feast comes on the 3rd. There is a request to change the dates to adjust that. I have promised them that with all the international people who decide on the dates, we will try and see if we can accommodate that request.
Meanwhile, group of youngsters under the banner of Digambar Kamath Get Well Soon prepared a black carpet and protested against decision of government on MOI. They will carry out their protest throughout the IFFI in different ways. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Servesh Veluskar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.